So we've been anchored here for 2 nights now, just arrived from Sumbawa, and we're anchored here in this super beautiful, calm little protected area, and Mount Rinjani's in the background. It's so beautiful at sunset. I just wanted to share it with you.
We've been hard at it today. We pretty much just hosed everything and gave the whole boat a clean. Got all the salt spray off of it now that we're in Lombok. Yeah, we've just been cleaning today. Tidying up the cabin for my mum to sleep in, and yeah, just chilling, cleaning. Lauren's just cleaning the, what do you call that? The bimini. Yeah, Lauren's just cleaning the clear plastic on the bimini. Look at that, you can see through it now.
Gotta clean that side too.
And not salt spray all over it. It'll take long for the salt spray to just build up and create like a layer that you can't even see through. Hey Loz.
Even after it's big, hose down.
What do you clean it with, Loz? Just...
Oh, we just hosed it down earlier and then all the water droplets form. So now we're just wiping it or buffing it down with just fresh water. And that'll get, it's hard to see, this is actually the inside, so we'll need to do the inside, but it just gets most of the salt residue off, and we don't really want to put any harsh chemicals on it because it'll affect it. So we'll just buff this off and it should be good.
So I think tonight, around 2, maybe 3, we're going to head off around to Medana Bay. We're going to be positioned there for a while, for a few months. So the reason we're leaving so early, it's just there's no wind on that section of the trip, so because the volcano blocks out all that wind. So we're just going to motor around tonight. And by the time we get around to Medana, a lot of southern winds come up through there, and they have a tendency to wrap around the island of Lombok. So if we leave earlier in the morning, we can avoid those winds. So we're going to do that because we don't like headwinds. They're not fun at all. Not after the last experience coming across here, but it was hectic. So that's the plan. We're going to leave this beautiful anchorage.
Alright, this is the 3rd attempt at this video because the first 2 the microphone wasn't working, so I bloody hope this is working. 2 AM, just woken up to our alarm. We didn't get much sleep at all. The anchorage turned really windy and rocky and waves were crashing against the hull. It just wasn't a good time at all. I even woke up at like 11:30 and woke Dylan up and was like, should we just go to Medana Bay now? Anyway, we managed to get a tiny bit of sleep towards the end there, and we're expecting the trip to Medana Bay to take between 11 and 12 hours, so we wanted to get a head start. That's why we're up really early.
Yeah.
Can't see Dylan, but he's there.
Just leaving Gili Lawang.
So it's 5:30 AM and we're just making our way up around the top of the island of Lombok now, and we've got this spectacular sunrise in the background and the waves following the seas. It's really, really peaceful.
Coming along the northern coast of Lombok here. Today we're dodging a lot of fishing nets. They're just everywhere. Kind of frustrating because you can't even see the flags sometimes. They don't even have flags on their nets. I haven't run over one yet, but it's going to happen, I can tell. There's a guy here next to us, directing us away from his, very close. One thing I've noticed as well with the boats and the canoes down here, there, as you go further west, the designs of them change, and this boat here is completely different to what we would have seen in Savu and Sumba. Look how close he is. He's right there. We've got a mate next to us. Oh, what's this?
This is breakfast.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, yeah.
What is it?
It's coconut rice pudding with caramelized banana on top. What a breakfast. He's just another one of the fishermen all through these areas trying to tell us how to get around all of their fishing nets. They're so close. You can see his flag just in the distance there. So he has a flag dropped there, and then way out there he has a buoy. So his nets, well, we think his net's between the two, and they'll often come up pretty close to the boat and wave at you and kind of point you in the right direction to navigate their nets, because it's not the same for every area we've found. There's kind of different rules in different places.
Wind coming from every which way, we're getting thrown up and down, we're getting smashed, swells like 50 foot. Nah, just tricking, look at this. You can skim rock on that shit. Get down real low and show you. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yes.
So we just picked up a mooring here in Medana Bay, and
Go in
yeah,
the shore and see what this place has to offer.
high five, we made it.
Made it to Lombok.
We made it to Lombok. How do you feel?
What a slog. Today is visa renewal day. We didn't show you how to do that or what we did in Kupang, so we might do a brief.
Try and get some footage today.
Yeah, try get some footage for a brief information on how to renew your visas. Step 1, looking smart with sandals and jeans.
Can't wash it because we haven't made water in a few days, so we've got no fresh water in the water tank, so I've kind of just got this crusty, salted thing.
Just a mop really, isn't it?
It is a mop. What do I do? Maybe I can put some...
So I've got a Hawaiian shirt and some jeans on. loaded up all the paperwork. First step, eh? Getting in, getting into land.
Yep.
Where's this spot?
So we are at Medana Bay, and today we are on a mission to renew our visa. Should be interesting.
So here's the moorings.
Our boat.
Our boat's just over here. It's a really good spot here. Last night I had a great sleep. There's no roll through here at all. It's perfect.
Perfect for us after quite a few nights of rolling anchorages.
Yeah, just windy, choppy shit.
This is so delicious. It's a pineapple pancake. Pineapple.
So good being somewhere like where the boat's just there. We can go back to the boat and come in and have food, and yeah, Marina's pretty good at the moment.
It's a bit of a luxury, isn't it?
And this place is pretty cool, Medana Bay Marina. Very friendly people, and they'll help you out with your visas and everything. And look at their pancakes. They're just amazing. So we booked a taxi, which has just arrived.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and we're going to head into Sangigi, just over there. And
yeah, but I'm still eating.
we're going to head into Sangigi and then hire a scooter and then head up to Mataram and sort our visas from here.
Next time on Sailing Blue Moon, we're sucked in by a dodgy visa agent. Jill's mum arrives and we load her onto the scooter and explore the local beaches, markets, and show her what the cruising lifestyle is all about. And we even head up the mountain in search of monkeys.
These videos are funded by viewers like you. Want to know more about us? Gain exclusive early access to weekly episodes, score some Blue Moon merch, win the chance to come aboard and support our production? Then check us out on Patreon.
And if you're ever wondering where we might be in real time, you can keep up to date on Facebook and Instagram. In addition to the subscribe button, click the bell to the right and you'll be notified of each new weekly episode.
Thanks for watching, Blue Moonies!